React interview question. What is profiling and how do we solve it? Profiling happens when you pass data through multiple layers of component, even if intermediate ones don't use it. Let's say it in our code. Okay. So here in app.js, I have used a parent component inside it. In parent, I have child. In child, I have grandchild. And grandchild is rendering user value. Okay. But here, every component, as you can see, has to pass this user value so that only the grandchild can use it, which is not a correct and clean code, right? So what is the solution here? Solution is we have to use the context. But what is context? So context lets you share values without passing props manually at every level. Okay. So just create and imagine it as a global state. Just create it and consume it in the component you actually want. Okay. So let's do that. Here, I'll just create a context. So let's create it. Const. I'll name it a user context. User context. And how we can create it? We can use the createcontext method from React. So create context. Okay. Now we have to provide a value to this context so we can use it in our grandchild component. Okay. So how we can provide it? We have to just user context dot provider, and we have to wrap our parent component to this provider. So let's type it, and from here we can now remove user. Now what value we want to pass to our grandchild is this user value. So what is the user value? For now it is NerdSprite. Okay. So I'll just copy it, and here in value I'll just pass this. I'll add context here as well so we can identify. Okay. Now we have provided the value which we want to pass to grandchild. Now in grandchild, how I'll consume this? So for that, we can use usecontext hook. So const user use context. And in this hook, we have to pass our context. So what is our context? User context is our context. So I'll pass this here. And from here, now we can remove this, and this. So now let's see it working. So here in our browser, now you can see we are passing the value from our context. So no more prop dealing, just clean direct access to your data. Enjoying these React interview tips? Hit the subscribe button for more nerd nuggets.